Hello and welcome back to Sepp and Shelley's DIY. Today we're going to show you how to make this glass sculpture. For the start of this project you need a piece of plain glass. I've got an old window here that I'm going to reuse. I'm going to take the window frame off, I've got to saw into a corner and then take it apart. Getting the pane of glass out went better than what we thought. I've also given it a good clean, you've just seen that in the video. Now we're going to measure out the glass, what we need. We need 12 centimetres. We're going to mark it with a pen and a ruler, then we're going to place the piece of wood on top, and with this glass cutter we're just going to roll along the edge. And it's always important when working with glass to wear a pair of gloves. I've cut myself so many times without having any on. Just wear a pair of gloves. In front of me I've got now this coloured glass. It's Cathedral glass. It's on the one side it has a structure, on the other side it's nice and smooth, so we can glue it good onto this glass that we've got here. We're now going to cut stripes of 12 centimetres wide, and then we're going to use different depths. We've got here 2 centimetres and here 7 centimetres, and we're just going to vary between 2 and 7 centimetres. Here are all the pieces of glass that I've cut out. I've laid it on top of my clear glass so that I can look how the colours are and how I would like it to be. I've decided this is the design I want. I'm then going to push these pieces of glass on one side. What you've got to remember is that on the top the structure is, and underneath is the flat side. I'm then going to clean the glass with some spirits or some alcohol, and then we're going to put all around the edge some silicone and glue then the pieces of glass back into place. Silicone's now dry on the glass, so if everything's been done right it should hold. Yep, everything's fine. And as you can see, I think you can see the colours of the glass. What we've got to do now is we've got 2 pieces of wood. We've got to give the glass a frame. I've got teak-wood, but you can use any hardwood that you've got. This was just what we've got lying around. We're going to drill a groove from top to bottom in the wood, about 1 centimetre wide, so that there's still a little bit play there in case the wood warps. Then we're going to use these bits that are the same diameter as these pieces of metal. So we're going to place a piece of metal at the bottom here, underneath the glass, and one at the top over here. So the framework is a little bit more stable. And then to put it in the garden, can't just stand it as it is in the garden, we're going to drill a hole in here also with one of these big bits, so that then we can glue these rods into place and then we can push it into the garden. And this is the finished glass sculpture. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.